तो वो उतना बेटर नहीं निकलता मस्कारा का जितना आप जिगजैग करके लगाओगे। ढंग से लगाऊंगी मैं इस बारी, स्केल लेकर आती हूँ अभी।
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Hi guys, my name is Tanya and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, there's a button link down below. Please click it and join my fam. I know I have gone from a very long time, but now I have decided that I am going to be more active on YouTube. So there are a lot of videos coming your way. So stay tuned for that. And as for today's video is going to be about a Nykaa haul, and this video will contain products which are made for beginners just like me, and these products are going to help you in the long run as well. And without wasting further time, let's get into the video. Now my first product is from the Nykaa Luxe store, and this product is definitely, I won't suggest beginners to spend so much money on this one. This is an exception for this video. So the product I got is the Laneige combination to oily skin, as you can see in the video as well. I don't know why it is not focusing. I suppose it doesn't know. So yeah, so this one is the Laneige combination to oily skin products, and I am going to show you every product this package contains. So the first two products are these, and these both are the Laneige cleanser. This one is the multi deep clean cleanser, and this one is the moist cream cleanser. The next one is the Laneige Hydro Essence, and it's written that it is made for all skin types. And this one being my favorite, this is Laneige Water Bank Gel Cream. It definitely works for my skin, and I'm telling it to you after using it for a month, for over a month almost, and I am in love with this one. Also, I'll be showing a detailed review on Laneige this whole package, definitely, so wait for that. And the next product in this is this water sleeping mask. This is also amazing. The next one is the hydro gel, and now coming to the best one is this lip sleeping mask, which I've heard a lot about. Now coming to the products which I received for free with this package were this Laneige sleeping mask. See, I have two of them. One was in the packet and this one came in free. The next one I received free was this hydrogel essence, which I have shown you earlier. And these were some of these small packets which says water sleeping mask. This is white dew tone up cream, and this one is original ampoule essence. This one is a eye sleeping mask, and these came in for free with this cleanser as well. So yeah, this box costed me 1850 and I received these things for free. Laneige is definitely on a higher price side, so I won't say ki jao aur le lo. Definitely not that. I would say just find some dupe products. For example, for this one I would say the water bank gel cream, I can say go buy the Neutrogena one. That is amazing. I don't know if it works as a dupe or not, but I've heard a lot about that too, so you can definitely try out that. So I invested in this one because I wanted to try out all of their products, and if I purchased these things individually they would cost me a lot, so that is why I went for this one, so that I can try out almost all of their products and write a review for you guys as well. So yeah, so if you want to try out all these products at a cheaper price, I think it is priced at a good range, but if you go on individually, that is quite high. So yeah, it's upon you. Okay, so now coming to the very first part of your makeup look, it has to be the primer no matter what. Now, why primer? Primer is used to make your skin look more even and smooth, so it prevents your face from getting more and more of pimples. And not only this, it also helps your makeup to stay for a longer. Now the product I invested this time is this Maybelline's Master Prime, which is written it's for oily skin, and this costed me around Yeah, the MRP is 650 and it costed me around 520 or something like that, because the Nykaa sale was going on and it costed me around $100 less. So I thought, why not to invest it when it is the right time. So my next buy was this Maybelline's Fit Me foundation, and I am in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Guys, if you are a beginner and if you want to invest in any foundation which is, you know, in your price range, this is the best. So when you apply this foundation, ये बिल्कुल भी केकी नहीं लगता है. It is so lightweight and it blends so easily that I swear on this product, this is amazing if you are a beginner and you got to invest in this foundation without a doubt. And in fact, आपको बार बार touch up भी नहीं करना पड़ता है. So definitely it stays for a long time. Now coming to the part of the concealers, I have two concealers with me which I recommend you. First one is the LA Girl Pro Conceal and my shade is the creamy beige, and the other is from Maybelline which is Age Rewind Concealer, and you can see I have already finished it till here. So these are my go-to-go concealers. Okay, now talking more about this Age Rewind concealer. The first time I used it, I fell in love with it. But the only problem I have with this is कि यार जब ये यूज़ करना पड़ता है ना, इसको घुमाते रहो घुमाते रहो घुमाते रहो. You don't know when it is gonna come out. And the fact that this thing becomes quite unhygienic, which I think Maybelline, you need to reconsider this. Apart from this, it is amazing. Coming to my favorite product and my go-to-go product as well, which has to be mascara, and this is Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Guys, you need to invest in mascaras if you haven't already. Thing I want to tell you about mascara is that अब जब भी mascara लगाते हो ना, just don't go like this. Make it like zigzag motion. तो उससे क्या होता है, आपका मस्कारा ना बहुत अच्छे से निकलता है. So definitely invest in mascaras. They just uplift your face so much. Talking about some of the lipsticks I got this time, let's start with the Nykaa ones only. Now the shades I got is these Wake Up and Makeup, and this one is Game On. Watch these shades for you. You know, just one swatch and see how creamy it is. And the other shade being this. Just showed you the swatches here, but when I apply it on my lips, it just doesn't come out the way it is shown in here. मतलब मैं लगाती रह जाऊँगी, it just does not come out. I won't suggest you to invest in these lipsticks at all. So now talking about the other one, this is the Nykaa's lip liner, which is in the shade Pillow Talk. Guys, जल्दी से जाओ और खरीद लो अभी के अभी. I swear this is one hell of an amazing lip liner I have ever come across. इसका texture, इसका formula, everything is just amazing. It is my second buy. And ये definitely आपके lips पे इतने effortlessly लग जाता है and it stays on for hours. So if you are a fan of lip liners, I would definitely suggest you to invest in this one. And if you do, let me know in the comment section down below how you liked it and if it worked for you or not. Coming to another one of my favorite shades, which is Maybelline's Super Stay, and the shade is 65 Seductress. Guys, it is amazing. Again, if you are a fan of nude shades, this one is my go-to-go one. It can be yours too. So the next product is this Bioderma's Micellar Solution, and they have come up with their Sabium H2O range, and I have used Bioderma's product before too and they work amazing. If you are a person who is using makeup on a daily basis or twice a week or anything like that and you need a makeup remover, so this works amazingly. Coming to the part of blushes, the one I have is this Sugar one, which comes in a magnetic packaging and it is so cute, as you can see. This is the shade Peach and it looks amazing. My next product, which is this eyeshadow palette, which is the Swiss Beauty one, and I got this for around 1000 rupees, and it contains all the shades. As you can see, it has blues, pinks, orange, browns, greens, and every color. So I am a beginner and wanted to invest in those palettes जिसमें मेरे को सारे colors भी मिल जाए, be it colorful वाले or be it the nude shades. So I wanted to invest in something like this. I like this one except for the fact कि अगर ये थोड़ा सा और pigmented होता ना तो it would have worked amazingly, because in 1000 rupees if you're getting almost every color you feel like to apply on your eyes, it's just amazing, no? Coming to my last buy, which was the Faces Canada nail paint, and this is the shade, if you can see, and the shade is just amazing. This is the shade Linty in number 45, and I have been drooling over the pastel shades from a very long time, and I am in love with this one. It definitely stays on for a long time and it dries on very easily too, and costed me around 83 bucks. So yup, they are affordable as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and I am coming with more videos your way, so stay tuned. Bye. मैं इतनी सुंदर हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ? ये लाइट ज़्यादा सेक्सी बना रही है मेरे को. मैं इतनी सुंदर हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ? थोड़ी मेरी लाइन ख़राब सी बनी है. आई एम सॉरी, आई डेंट यूज़ अ स्केल हेयर, बट बहुत ओवर एक्टिंग हो चुकी है. 50 रुपये काटेंगे हम ओवर एक्टिंग के.